Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to a Windows 11 device from a Debian device. This is the Windows 11 device and we're going to be connecting from this Debian device. So the version is version 13, that's on Debian. To check the version you can just run this command right here, cat etc os release, and that should show you the version that you're running. Okay, now on this Debian machine we'll need to install a tool called Remmina. That's what will enable us to use RDP to connect to the Windows 11 device. So the first thing you might want to do is update your system packages. You can do sudo apt update, put in your password. Okay, once you're done with the update, if you want it, you can do the upgrade. I'm not going to run the command to upgrade. It could take a while to run. Now you can always check to see if you already have Remmina installed. We can do which Remmina, and in our case we don't have it. So to install it, just type sudo apt install Remmina. Okay, Y for yes. Okay, I'm gonna rerun which Remmina again, and now we see that we do have it installed. Now to open it, you can just open it from here, or you can search for it from your apps. And this is the tool. To connect, you need to click on the plus sign, and then you have your information input for the Windows 11 device. You can name the connection. You'll need the IP address, that's the server, the IP address for the Windows 11 device, the username, and the password. So let's go ahead and log into the Windows. We'll go to the Windows 11 device here. Now on the Windows 11 device, you just need to make sure that remote desktop is enabled. So search for remote desktop settings. Then make sure remote desktop is turned on. Okay, you'll need a username and a password. You can add the users here. If you don't have a user, you can create a new user. Just search for computer management. And here you can go to local users and groups, users. You can add a user here, right click, new user, give your user a name, okay. Then put in a password here. Confirm the password. Create the user, close. Now I have a user. I can go back to remote desktop, under remote desktop users. Click on that, click add, then just type the name of your user, check names. Okay, now the user is added. The other thing we need is, like I said, you need the IP address, so search for the command prompt cmd. Inside the command prompt, type in ipconfig. That should show you the IP for your Windows 11 device. It's 172.16.1.100 in this case. Now, if you're going to be logging in with the same user name as the one you logged into, you might want to log out first. So let me go ahead and sign out. Then I'll go back to the Debian device. Here I'll input the IP 172.16.1.100, and the user, we have Eno. Let's put in our password. Okay, the rest I'm gonna leave as default. I'm not gonna change anything else. I'm using RDP, and it's the name. I'm just gonna leave it as a quick connect. I'm gonna save it. This is my connection. I'm just gonna double click on it to connect. Accept, yes. Okay, and I'm connected. As you can see here, I'm connected to the Windows 11 device. Now to change your scaling, you might have to just adjust using these options here. To get the best option for you. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Windows 11 device from a Debian device. using RDP, and the tool we used is Remmina. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.